How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Just got home from work and I have a quick question for you guys and gals. So what is that? Hold on, we'll get right to it. Now here's the thing. If you look at my car, you can see it looks pretty good all black. Got the chrome wheels on there with the red calipers and everything. But what I am asking about particularly is right here, this Z28 emblem. I am thinking about changing that up, and I was wanting to know everybody's opinion. Should I leave it like this? I know it needs to be cleaned and everything. This car is filthy right now. All the storms and everything, I haven't had time to clean it. But should I leave it like this, or should I put in, or rather put on, the emblem that I'm fixing to insert now on the side of this car? I'm gonna Photoshop that out and overlay it. And it belongs on the 2015 Z28, and I really like the way it looks because it, you know, it's black. It's got this the slash mark in and a little bit of chrome, which will actually match this car. I can't talk today for some reason. It will actually match this car. But the thing is I don't know if I'm 100% happy with that look or if I like this better. What do you guys and gals think? Leave your comments below and I'll respond to each one like I did the last time, and I appreciate each comment. But seriously, what do you guys think? I'll insert a picture of this and I'll insert a picture of the other one, and just vote on which one you like. I'll number them 1 and number 2. Thanks for watching.